Hello student, welcome back to our class. Today we are going to study the problem based on resistance which we have studied earlier. Resistance is a property of matter which opposes the flow of current and it depends upon certain factor, that is nature of material, length and cross sectional area of material and temperature. So now some problem. First one is calculate the resistance of copper wire of length 1 meter and cross sectional area 1 mm square, resistivity 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm meter. So this is the problem based on the topic resistance. How we can solve this type of problem? So first of all, concentrate at the question given. Calculate the resistance. We have to calculate the value of R. If copper wire is of length 1 meter, length of wire is given, that is 1 meter, and cross sectional area of wire, length 1 meter and cross sectional area of wire is 1 mm, sorry, it is 2 mm square. So we will change this mm square to meter square, then it comes 10 to the power minus 3 meter square. 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter square. And resistivity rho is equal to, given in the question, 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm meter. So we have to calculate the resistance if length, cross sectional area and resistivity of wire is given. So we will use the formula R is equal to rho L by A. These three values are given in the question. So when we put the value, that is resistivity 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 into length, that is 1 meter, by area 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we know this type of formula, that is x to the power n into x to the power n is equal to, the bases of these two terms are same, then power gets adds up, x to the power m plus n. And if these terms are in division, then subtract. So here powers of bases are same, so we will subtract the power. So 1.7 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, minus plus 3, यानी कि 10 to the power minus 3. 1.7 by 2 is equal to 8.5. 0.8 85 into 10 to the power minus 3 ohm. This is the value of resistance. How we can solve it? The next we will solve the next problem. That is the next problem is a copper wire has resistance 0.6 ohm. Another copper wire of same mass as the first one is double in length of first. Find the resistance of second one. So this is the problem. A copper wire has a resistance 0.6 ohm. Another copper wire of same mass as the first one is double in length of first. Find the resistance of second one. We have to find the resistance of second one. Let L be the length and A be the area. जो फर्स्ट वायर है उसका लेंथ और एरिया हम लोग सपोज कर लिए और फर्स्ट वायर सिमिलरली एड 12 be the length and A2 be the area of second one. We know as in the question relation with mass is given. Relation between the both of the wire is mass. So we know that density is equal to mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume. So mass is given and volume can be calculated from length and cross sectional area. So from question volume of wire are equal. वायर का जो वॉल्यूम होगा वो क्या होगा इक्वल होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि सेम मास है. तो L1 L into A is equal to 2L into A2. A length into area gives the volume of first wire, and similarly the volume of second wire, length into area. Here length of wire gets cancelled out and area becomes twice. So A2 is equal to, that is area of second wire is half of area of first wire. Area of second wire is half of second wire. So अब यहाँ पे हम लोग को रेजिस्टेंस को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? लेंथ और एरिया हम लोग को मालूम है दोनों वायर का, लेकिन हम लोग को रेजिस्टिविटी का अता पता नहीं। तो रेजिस्टिविटी को भी हम लोग सपोज कर लेंगे, लेट रो बी द रेजिस्टिविटी of wire. Now we can calculate the value of resistance as all the quantities are given. Resistance of first wire is rho into L by A, equation 1. As for resistance first wire, resistance for second wire R2 is equal to rho L2L by A2, यानी कि A by 2. As we solve this, it becomes 4 rho L by A, equation second. Now equating these two equations, we can get the value of R2, that is resistance of second wire. From equation 1 and 2 we get R by R2 is equal to rho L by A by 4 rho L by A. These gets cancelled. The value of resistance first wire is given in the question. We have to calculate the resistance of wire is equal to 1 by 4. So R2 is equal to 4 into 0.6. That is 2.4 ohm. That's all. So you can solve these type of question or the problem based on these formula, that is resistance and resistivity. You can solve from your exercise. That's all.